When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, Freshservice versus HubSpot Service Hub is a comparison many businesses are grappling with. Both offer robust features, but which one truly stands out? Stick around as we dive into each platform's strengths and weaknesses so you can make a more informed decision about what's best for your support team. First thing, let's talk about Freshservice user interface. Freshservice is built with simplicity in mind, making it easy for teams to jump in without too much of a learning curve. The layout is clean and navigation is straightforward, which is perfect if you're looking for something that doesn't require a lot of setup. But while it's simple, some users find it lacks the depth or customization options needed for larger, more complex teams. It could feel too basic if you're looking for high-level features right off the bat. Next thing, let's compare HubSpot Service Hub. HubSpot's platform is often praised for its seamless integration with other HubSpot tools, especially if you're already using their CRM. It's a major benefit for teams who want to handle support tickets alongside their marketing and sales data all in one place. However, HubSpot Service Hub isn't as intuitive as Freshservice, and it can take some time to get familiar with its interface, especially for smaller businesses. Some users have mentioned that it can feel a bit overwhelming with the number of options and customization it offers. Moving on to pricing. Freshservice offers tiered pricing that's typically considered more affordable compared to HubSpot, especially for small to mid-sized businesses. HubSpot, on the other hand, can get quite expensive as you add more advanced features, especially when scaling up. If you're on a tighter budget, Freshservice could be a better option, but the pricing differences also reflect the varying levels of features they offer. If you want the most basic features, Freshservice might be enough. But if you need something more comprehensive, HubSpot could be worth the extra cost. The fourth thing we need to consider is automation. Both platforms offer automation capabilities, but Freshservice takes the lead here with its service management automation tools. From auto ticket assignment to advanced workflow automation, Freshservice is great for teams that rely heavily on automation to streamline their processes. HubSpot does have automation, but tends to focus more on its marketing automation suite, leaving some service desk-specific features feeling a bit lacking in comparison. Next up is reporting. When it comes to tracking performance and analyzing customer service metrics, HubSpot Service Hub shines with its detailed reporting tools. The analytics HubSpot provides are robust, offering in-depth insights into customer satisfaction, ticket resolution times, and team performance. Freshservice offers reporting as well, but its reporting features are less advanced. While it gets the job done for smaller teams, it may not provide the granularity or customization you need as your business scales. The final thing to consider is customer support. Freshservice does offer decent customer support with 24/7 options available. However, some users have pointed out that response times can be inconsistent, which could be frustrating during critical moments. HubSpot, on the other hand, offers solid customer support, but it often gets praised for being more proactive with educational resources like webinars and guides. If you're the type of user who likes to have a lot of self-service options, HubSpot has a slight edge. So, Freshservice versus HubSpot Service Hub. Both platforms are solid choices, but after testing them myself, I believe if you want a better alternative that combines the strengths of both without the downsides, you should check out the free trial in the first link in the description. This is the best deal for you as our viewers, with exclusive benefits that you can only get through our link. Don't miss out, take advantage of the offer, and elevate your help desk experience today.